Hey folks, welcome back. Now, one of the really cool things about the Isotope portfolio, or basically its primary function, is to create groups of pictures or similar groups of pictures. And you would organize those groups via the buttons up top. So we have the show all button. Then there's, we could have group one, group four, show all again, group three. And now where you would use this is maybe you could have, if this is a portfolio for your vacation pictures, you could have, Disney, Mexico, Hawaii, Christmas 2012, or you can even add more different groups up top to group different things, as many different groups as you can really think of. But let me just show you how this all works. Let's jump right into Dreamweaver. And you up at the top of your Isotope portfolio library page, you'll see that the groups are defined right here. So really there's two core components to this. This is just a regular link. If you want to change the name from group one, which you probably would, you just select this text in black and maybe change the name right there. Now the key to how this works is this data filter. It uses the basically a class name. We're calling it group one in this example. It can be any name you want. I'll give you an example. Disney. Okay. We type that in there. I would suggest you make it unique, make it all lowercase, no spaces in the file names. If you're going to use a number, make sure it's, crammed right in there with the text. So it's one nice easy thing to copy and paste. And then what you could do is just copy this data filter and go scroll down, find your Disney pictures. Oh, there's a Disney one, for example, right? Select it, switch to code view, and then just scroll up a nugget here until you find this Isotope image container. Right over here, that's the data filter class. So if we were to change group one to Disney, now when somebody clicks on the Disney button up here, this particular picture will be displayed. And if we go down and change other data classes for the group, right, like so, anything I've applied the Disney class to will now show up when somebody clicks on this particular button. So the data filter just has to match whatever you've typed here, okay? And that's why I like to use single names or a name and a digit, so when you double click it, you can just edit copy, right? You can go down below, find the group, double click and paste, or control V and paste, right? To add more buttons, just simply copy an existing button and paste it like so, give it a new name, and then give it a new data filter. And make sure that you don't knock off that period. That period should stay there, okay, folks?